That's fine. Which question we are discussing in the previous class? Anybody can go to the last question. Last question.
Sir, you have to start from question 15.
Yeah, can you read out the question?
Question: for a reaction A to product, it is found that the rate of reaction increases by a factor of 6.25. When concentration of A is increased by 2.5, the order of reaction with respect to A is option A 2.5, option B 3, option C 2, option D 0.5.
Yes. Can you tell me anybody answer? And has done that problem? Yes, I told you already. That is a question number 15, right? Yeah. Question number 15. Question number, this is answer. Yeah. Here, I told you that the rate of reaction, right? The rate of reaction, that is R is equal to, we know that A to the K into R to the power of N, you can write. You can ignore the rate constant here, R naught to the power N anta baribodu. But we have to find out the order. They are given the rate of the reaction and also the initial concentration they are given, right? What is the rate of the reaction is given? What is 6.25, right?
It is increased by 6.25.
Increase by rate, that means 2.5 is the rate of the reaction. Mm, 6.25 is the rate of the reaction, and initial concentration is given. What is the initial concentration? 2.25, right?
Increased by 2.5.
Yes, increased by 2.25 to the
2.5.
2.25, right?
No, sir, 2.5.
2.5, yeah. 2.5. 2.5 to the power N. Now, you can convert 6.25 to the power, how much power you can shift? That is 2.5 to the power of 3, we can write now, is equal to 2.5. Not to 5, you can shift, that is power is 2. 2 to the power of 2.5 to the power of 2, we can write like this. Yes, therefore 2 is equal to N. Order is equal to 2. The answer, see the power. When base is same, we can consider as the powers. So it is a second order reaction. The answer. What is which option?
3, sir.
Option 3. Yeah. That means it is a second order reaction. Understood now? This equation already I have given, the first one yesterday, right? Yeah. Next question. Shall I proceed? Next question. Is there any doubt? I hope it's clear. Yes. Next question. The rate constant for the reaction 2N2O5 gives 4NO2 plus O2 is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5 per second if rate is 2.4 into 10 to the power of how much they given is not visible here. What is the power is given? 10 to the power of plus
minus 5.
Minus 5 or plus 4?
Minus 5.
-5. Okay. So mole per liter per second. Then the concentration of N2O5 in mole per liter is. Here also you can do the same thing, same method. Same method you can do it here.
Sir, second option.
Here you can do, because they have given rate is equal to constant, because they have given constant into N2O5, right? Because that is the constant reactant, right? We can find out N2O5, the concentration is equal to R by K. Rate is given. How much the rate is given? It's good is the rate of
2.40 into 10 to the power of -5.
2.4 into 10 to the power of -5 is divided by K is given. Rate constant is also given. That is 3 into 10 to the power of -1. Sorry, 3 into 10 to the power of -1. Yeah. What is also now? Idu cancel agutte. 2.4 divided by 3. That is equal to 0.8. Yeah. For 16, option number 4. This is for 16th. This is for 15th. Yeah. Next one. For 17th. Any doubt? Right, 0.8. Yeah. Next question. In a first order reaction, the concentration of the reactant decreases from 800 mole per dm cube to 50 mole per dm cube in 2 into 10 to the power of plus 4 second. The rate constant of the reaction in seconds. Here, yeah, rate constant of the reactions. Here you have to find out K, right? For 17. For 17, we have to find out K. We know that the formula 2.303 divided by T log what? R naught by R. Formula we know that. Time is given, right? The rate constant of the reaction is this. Time ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 2 into 10 to the power of 2.303 divided by T. What is the time given? How much?
2 into 10 to the power of 4 seconds.
Plus 4 or minus 4?
Plus 4, sir.
Yes. Log. What is the initial concentration is given? Initial concentration. You have to find out. Starting from 800, right? That is the initial concentration. 800 divided by decreases to 50, right? Now you don't divide modi. How much? 0 cancel agutte. 5, 1, 6, 16, right? Howda? Yes, 16. Now log 16 I already given the log values. Yes. Log 16
4 to the power 2.
Yeah, 4 to the power 2 anta barkoboda. Yes, nodi. Here no need of any calculator. I told you that, right?
Sir, no, sir. 2 to the power 4.
Yeah, 2 to the power of 4.
2 to the power 4.
Fine, very good. 2.03 divided by 2 into ಇದು ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 10 to the power of 4 log ನ 16 ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I will write directly 4 into log 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ? Yes or no?
No, sir. 2 into log 2 to the power 4. 4
Okay.
log 2. Correct.
4 log 2. Are you following? Some students, I think if it is difficult, I will write one more step and I will show. Because in CET, you should be very quick. You have to skip some number of steps. Then only you can save the time. Yes, we know that already I have given 4 into log 2 value, we know that 0.3010 divided by how much? 2.303 divided by 2 into 10 to the power of 4. ಈ 2 2s ಹೊಡಿರಿ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ is equal to 2 to the 10 to the power of 4 denominator is there. Take it to the numerator. It will be 10 to the power of minus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus 4 is there in all the steps. Therefore, multiply this one. You will get. Did you try this one? No, that is 1.386 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is the answer. There is option 3. You know that simplification? Yes. Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes. Next question. Which one? For a reaction, the reaction Y gives product. Is there? Good question. Can you read out the next question? Yes, anybody? Next question, Otira.
The following first order reaction is 50% complete in 24 hours at 300 Kelvin. 18th one, sir.
Yeah, that one. How many grams of N2O5 will remain after a period of 4 days, right? After 4 days, how much it will remain? I told you for this type of question, this question number 18, how to write it. Here, you have to write for 18th. Yeah. For 18th, you have to start from 0 to 24. That is 1 half-life period, right? Here it takes, and then 48, then how much? 72, then 96, right? For 4 days and rest 96 hours, right? Here it is 1 gram is there. After 24 hours, what is the product remaining? 1 gram is then cooling. After 24, how much? 1/2 agutta. Yes. Next to 24 hours time ಆದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1/4 next 1/8 next 1 by how much 16, right? Is there answer after 4 days? 1 2 3 4 answer is 1/16 ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ 1/16 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಲಿ You can divide that one. If the answer is that, then that is the right answer. 1 by 16 is not there, but if you divide 1 by 16, what is the answer you will get? It is 0.625. Option number, yeah.
C.
Yes, option 3. Because 1 by 16 is 0. Yes. Next question.
Sir, how is 0.625?
1 by 16. What is, how can Baralwa?
Hello, sir. Sir, how is 1 by 6? I mean 0.625?
1 by 16, if you divide, what is the value? Bharat, is it the same? No. 1, how the 1 is can't divide, therefore put 10 divided point, then 10 divided by 16. Want to get 0.625. 10 divided by 16. Banta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question. A hypothetical reaction 2p plus q gives S plus R has rate constant 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 mole per liter per second. The order of the reaction is? Direct question.
0.
Zero order, sir.
Yes, 0 order. What is the option? Second one. Artha aita? 0 order reaction. What you have to see here? Yen nodbeku to find out whether it's a first order, second order.
Liter mole second inverse.
You have to see the unit. If you see the unit, then you can easily judge what is the order. Yes, because the unit of rate constant is mole per liter per second. Therefore, it is a 0 order reaction. Yes, next. The reaction A gives B follows first order kinetics. The time taken for 0.8 moles of A to produce 0.6 moles of B in 1 hour. What is the time taken for the conversion of 0.8 moles of A to 0.67?
Question skip ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ 20th.
Which one? ಯಾವುದು?
For a reaction each equal to 0.
For the reaction E is equal to 0. That is. Now, what is the answer for that? 28. I thought it is E is activation energy delete agidella. Yes, that is answer is 2, because you know that what is the temperature difference? What is the temperature difference?
10 Kelvin.
10 Kelvin. You know that for every rise in 10 degrees centigrade, how much times the velocity of the reaction increases? 2 times, right? Therefore, answer is 2. Yes. Yes. That is second option. 8.4 into 10 to the power of 3. Sorry, 5. Next. Here, 21st. Here we have to find out first K, right? First K calculate more. Then you have to find out the time. K 2.303 divided by time is given 1 minute, right? 1 minute, and the log, the concentration is given 0.8 initial concentration is reduces to 0.6, right? Yeah, 0.6. Now, from this, you can calculate K. K calculate markoli. This is the first part. Then the second part is you have to find out the time. So to find out the time, then here t is equal to, during the time you calculate k, I told you already simplification. Yes, t is equal to 2.303 divided by k log 0.9. Time taken, initial concentration is 0.9 to 0.625, 0.26, 0.625. Yeah. What is the value of k? This is the second one. You substitute the value of k here, then yes, remove got the values. Here, remove the points. Here, log, ನೋಡಿ, 2 3s are 2 4s are, right? Then ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ? 4 minus log 3 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I already given the values, right? Here, log 4 minus log 3 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, right?
2 log 2 minus log 3.
Yes, log 4 values is to 0.771.
Sir, log 3, sir.
Hello, log 4 minus log 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is the value of log 0.6 ಅಲ್ಲ?
0.6020.
0.6020 minus log 3 do
4771.
4771.
ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ. You will get how much? 0.3 na? 0.3 something you will get, right? Not 0.3, point minus it 2 almost 0.1 nala. How much? Minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. How much you will get? 0.6020 minus 0.4771. That will get 9, 11, 4, 10, 3, 0.349. Yes, this value, log value, into, I hope it's clear that the calculation clear agidya. 2.303 divided by 1 into what? 0.1349, right? You can begin you can carry forward that one. Yes, you can substitute here, then you can try it again. Okay, don't multiply this one. Yeah, 2.303 divided by k values, 2.303 into 0.1349 into.
Sir, ಅದು 0.1249, sir.
Sir, 1249 ಬರುತ್ತೆ sir, 0.
No need of that one. Why? You can simplify further. Simplify. ಹೌದಾ? ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಲೋ, ಇದನ್ನ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂತ 0.2 ನ 3.2 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 0.6 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2.5 ಬೇಡ. ಇವಾಗ for this one, for this calculation I am showing, it is log 3 minus log 2 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, right? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? log 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, 0.4771 minus log 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0.3010. Yes. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ
0.1761.
0.1761 yeah ಇದು 0.23 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ then you will get the time. If you divide that one, you will get almost 0.99 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is that is in that is almost equal to 1 hour ಅಂತ consider 0.99 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ is equal to 1 hour. The answer for 21st is 1 hour. First option. Okay. Yes. Yes. Next. Is it clear? The simplification? Now, if you remember, log 432 values, then simplification will be easy, right? Yeah. Yeah. Next question. Next question. For a reaction PA plus QB gives products, the rate law expression R is equal to K into A to the power of L into B to the power of M. Then
Sir, option 1.
No. You know that it is nothing but rate law expression. You know that what is a rate law, or it is also called as a law of mass action, right? Law of mass action. Law of mass action.
Sir, option.
Option. If you know the law of mass action, definitely can find out.
3, sir.
Very good. 3. Here there is P plus Q may or may not equal to L and M. You know that rate law in suppose I will give one. What is the question number? This one 22 ala? Yeah, rate according to rate law namge generally I will give A to the power of X plus B y into B2 gives product. Don't worry about the product. Product ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. For this one, rate ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ is directly proportional to A to the power of, you can write it as A into B to the power of B ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Here according to rate law, A can be equal to X, B equal to Y, or A cannot be equal to X, B cannot be equal to Y according to the rate law. These are the small x and y are the stoichiometric coefficients of the reactant A and B, right? Capital A and capital B are the reactants. Here's power A to the power of A and B to the power of B are the powers of the molar concentration of the reactants that is determined by experimentally. In some cases, stoichiometric coefficients is equal to the powers. In some cases, stoichiometric coefficients are not equal to the powers. Yes, I hope it's clear. Go through the definition of law of mass action, you can understand. Yeah. Next one. Half-life of a substance A following first order kinetics in kinetics is 5 days, starting with 100 grams of 100 gram of A, amount left after 15 days. 15 days. I think this type I have done already. 33. When time is 0. What is half life? 5 days, right? Start with 100 gram. Half life is 5 days. Howda? Andre, after 5 days, 100 gram is the it converted into 50 grams, right? Then after 10 days, how much?
25.
25.
Next 15 days. 15 days,
12.5.
12.5.
Option 3.
The answer. Option, yeah, option 3. That is for 15 days, 12.5. Right? Like this, the method is same. They can also ask for 20 days. For 20 days, how much? For 20 days, how much?
6.25.
6.5. That means after 25 days, 6.25 divided by 2.
3.125.
Like this, they can ask. I hope it's clear. Yes. Next one. We can do. Let me see who it will answer quickly. The same method. A substance with half-life 3 days, time taken to other place is 12 days. What amount of substance is left now? When time t is equal to 0, how much you can add? 1. Suppose the substance weight is not given, you can consider as a 1 gram.
Option 3.
Option 3, sir.
It's very good. Yes, Nodi. Here it is 12 days alva. 0 hakoltira. Next 10 hakoltira. 3.
3.
Next 6. Next
9.
next
12.
12. They are asking for 12 days alva. Illi 1 iddidu. After 3 days, what is the amount? 1 by 2. Howda? Next after 3 days, 6 days.
1 by 4.
Very good. Next 1 by
1 by 8.
next 1
1
by
by 16.
answer is there. Yeah, I think this type they asked. What is the question number? Same one. Suppose if they don't give 1 by 16, what is its value? 0.625. First problem ಮಾಡ್ಸಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if they don't give the 1 by 16 value, they can also give what? 0.625 ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. Yes. Next. 25th. Is it clear? Yes. Next, the rate constant for nth order reaction as dimension.
Sir, option 1.
Yes, option 1. Very good. Per time, mole to the power 1 minus n. Option direct ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ?
Option A.
Yeah, option first option. Yes. Next. Yes, 25th. ಇದು ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? A reaction, correct? A gives P is started with 10 grams of A. After 30 and 90 minutes, 5 grams of B and 1.25 grams of A are left respectively. The order of the reaction is order of the reaction. Here, half-life.
Second order reaction.
No. Start with 10 grams of A. After 30, 30 and 90.
So first order.
First order, sir.
First order, 5 grams of B. Yeah, how can you say that? That is directly. That is because you know that half-life period is what? Inversely proportional to the initial concentration. Therefore, it is a first order. Option is to third option. First order, it is a first order reaction. Next question. Yeah, temperature coefficient. Sorry, no question. A first order reaction, right? Same question. Huh? A first order reaction was started with a decimolar solution of the reactant. Decimolar solution of the reactant 8 minutes 20 seconds. Later, its concentration was found to be m by 100. The rate constant is the question. What is the question number? This one 27. You have to find out K. The direct formula 2.303 divided by time. Time is given. Time 8 minutes 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
That means you convert it into what? Seconds convert madikoli. Eshtagutte? 500. Howda? 8 minutes 20 seconds. When you convert it into seconds, convert 500.
500.
Right? Next. What is the initial concentration? What is the initial concentration is given? Decimolar. Decimolar, it is nothing but 0.1. 0.1. Next, after 8 minutes 20 seconds, what is the concentration remaining? M by 100. M by 100 is nothing but 0.01 is equal to 0.0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Divide ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 10 times ಹೊಡಿಬೋದಾ
10.
ಹೌದಾ 0.1 divided by 0.01 ಬರುತ್ತಾ log 10 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು
1.
yes into 1 yes ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 230.3 divided by 5 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ
Sir, option 4.
This option 4. The answer is 4.606 10 to the power of -3 seconds. Manti answer. You know how to do the simplification. Initial decimolar ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ m by 100 ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is nothing but 0.01 ಅಂತ yes Yes, yes. Next question. Temperature coefficient of a reaction is 2 if the temperature increases from 30 to 100 degrees centigrade or 100 degree. The rate constant, the rate of the reaction increases by how many times? That is 28. Yeah, it starts with the temperature is to 30 degree.
Option 2.
Option, yeah, very good. 30, ಇದು ನೋಡಿ simplification ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 40, 50, 60, next 70, 80, 90, 100. ಹೌದಾ? For every rise in temperature, okay, rate of the reaction increases by how many times ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ? 2 times ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Right? ಹೌದಾ? 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 2 to the power of 6 ಅಲ್ವಾ? is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು? 125
128.
128. Yeah. 128 is the answer. Yeah. Next question. 2N2O5 gives 4NO2 plus O2 follows first order kinetics. The molecularity is
Bimolecular.
bimolecular. 29. It is a bimolecular. Option C or option 3. Option 3. It is a bimolecular. Because why? Because there are 2 reactant molecules take part in the balanced chemical equation. Therefore, it is a bimolecular reaction. Yes. Next question. A reaction involving 2 different reactants. A reaction involving 2 different reactants.
Option 2, sir.
Yes, option 2. It can't be a unimolecular reaction. Beredella satisfy agodu. This is question number 29 alla. 29, 30.
30.
Yeah. Question number 30. What is the option? Second. Yes. Next, 31. Yeah. The half-life for the reaction N2O5 gives 2NO2 plus half O2 is 24 hours, starting with 100 grams of N2O5. How many grams of N2O5 will remain after a period of 96 hours? Yes, it is also repeated, I think same type. Let's start with what is the half-life period? 1 day or 20.
Option 2.
Sir, 0.63.
Yes, yeah, very good. 0.63. ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ 48 hours. Next 0 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 gram ಅಲ್ಲ, sorry 10 gram, right? When time t is equal to 0, is weight is 10 gram. After that, how much will remain? 5 gram. Next 2.5. Next 72. ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಾ?
1.25.
25. Next 96 hours ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಾ? 0.625. The answer of yes. Next 32. 32. Exact ಇಲ್ಲ 0.625. 0.63 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We can keep that one, right? Yes. The rate constant of a first order reaction whose T off is 480 seconds in first order ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್. K is equal to calculate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, right? Yeah, K is equal to 0.693 divided by what? The value of K is given. Sorry, T. Which code is that? 480. Madi.
Sir,
1.44.
1.44 into 10 to the power minus 3.
10 to the power of minus. I think similar problem we got, right? ಆಗಲೇ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿ 0.693 divided by 500 ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಹೌದಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ half life of a reaction is found to be inversely proportional to Q of the initial concentration. The order of the reaction is
third order.
The order of the reaction is. Check ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ.
Sir, fourth order reaction.
Yes, very good. Third. It is a fourth order. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ T by half. T half is inversely proportional to A to the power of ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ n minus 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕೊಡೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ T half ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ is inversely proportional to the initial concentration of Q ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ then what ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ n ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು n ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ n should be 4 when order is equal to 4 ನಾಳೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಹೌದಾ T of is inversely proportional to 1 in A ಅಂದ್ರೆ initial concentration so order is 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ what is option second one second option yes next to 34 yeah a substance A decomposes by first order reaction starting initially with A is equal to 2 molar and after 200 minutes A becomes 0.5 molar. For this reaction T half is first you have to calculate K ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ T half calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 34 K is equal to 2.303 divided by T. T ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ 200 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ log initial concentration how much is given 2 divided by 0.15 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ K calculate 2.303 divided by 200 ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ I will simplify this one.
Sir, log 40 by 3.
Log 40 by 3 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ
Yes, sir.
40 ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತಾ Now it can be 40. ಇದನ್ನ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್
Log 40 by 3 will become log 40 minus 3.
200 divided by 15 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು 200 by 15 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ just yes or no 200 by 15 you know 200 by 15 15 is
40 by 3.
40 by 3 same alla yeah 40 by 3 ಅಂತ
log 40 minus 3.
Yeah, log 40 minus 3. Log 40 minus 3. I don't know how will you simplify further. Log 10 into 4 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿರೋದನ್ನ 40 ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ?
Sir, log 40 will be log 7 square minus 3 square.
7 square.
Log 7 square minus 3 square.
7 square. ಬರುತ್ತಾ 40?
7 square is 49. 7 square minus 3 square minus 3.
Minus 3. Log 7.
Sir, log 7 square is 49. 49 minus 3 square. 40.
ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ್ಯಾ? 7 square minus ಬೇಡ, ಅದು ಬೇಡ, ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಲಾಗ್ 40 ಇನ್ನ ಲಾಗ್ 10 into 4 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ?
Sir, but for that there's no simplification, no sir.
Yeah, log 10 is 1 plus something will get 1 plus yeah, ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yeah, yes, log 4 into 10 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ? Yes, minus log 3, right? log 4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? log 10 1 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. 1 plus something 1 plus log, what is the log 4 value? 1 point, log 4 is 0 point sorry, yeah, point
0.6020.
1.6020 minus log 3 is to
4771.
0.4771 is equal to how much?
1.2 somewhere.
2 ಬರಲ್ಲ, 1.13 something, right? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ ಸರ್. 1.13. I hope it's clear, the simplification. log 40 ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ? log 4 into 10 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಈ log 4 plus log 10 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. log 10 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 1 ಅಂತ, plus log 4 is 0.6020 minus that one. So, simplification is there on the board itself, right? ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, k. Don't multiply that one. ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Next we have to find out t. T is equal to 2.303 divided by k. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 2.303 divided by 200 into 1.13 into log.
Sir, you have to find t half, no sir.
T of yeah, very good, sorry. T of we have to calculate. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? T of
0.693 by k.
Yeah, 0.693 by k. How many times you can divide? ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 0.693 into 200 divided by 2.303 into 1.13. Almost simplify ಮಾಡಿ. Not required exactly. Nearest by answer you can guess ಮಾಡಿ. How much can you get approximately? Oh, almost all values are similar. It is very difficult. Then you have to find out exact. Yes. Then answer is 48.45. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. We get 48.45.
Sir, option A.
Option A. Option A. No.
Sir, option A.
Yeah. Fine. Option A is the right answer. What is the answer?
Sir, it will come 5 point.
Yeah, 53 point. Yeah. 3.7. Correct again. Yes.
Sir, option D.
Option D ಬರುತ್ತೆ no, the first option ಬರುತ್ತೆ. First option is the correct answer, 53.72. Rough calculate ಮಾಡಿ, if you don't get, you can try it exact if you want, calculate it for cross verification. Because ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ all values are given near 2 difference ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, you required exact answer. Yes. Next question. What is the question number? Vishnada? 30?
35.
35. Yeah.
5.
Yeah, 35. The rate of a reaction, correct, is equal to the rate constant. If the rate of the reaction is equal to the rate constant of the the order of the reaction is. That actually unit anta barkoli. If the rate of the reaction alla, if the unit of rate of reaction, correct ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದು. If the unit of rate of reaction is equal to the rate constant, the order of the reaction is now. Correct ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದು.
Zero order reaction.
Very good.
Zero order.
Zero order, right? That is option number 2. Direct again. Correct change ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೋದು. Yes. The unit of rate of reaction ಅಂತ ಇರಬೇಕು. If the rate of the reaction is there, it is wrong. Yes. Next, yeah. Next question. For a reaction, 2A plus B gives 3C plus 4D. Which of the following does not express the reaction?
Option D.
Option?
Option 4.
Yes, very good. Option 4. Then option 4 does not express anta ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Does not express because -1/3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಹೌದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. Therefore, that is answer. Yes. Next one. 37. 37. In a first order reaction, A gives B if K is rate constant and initial concentration of the reactant A is 0.5 molar, then the half-life is. Then the half-life.
Sir, 37th question ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ 36 ಎಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
Yes, sir.
36 last.
It's over, right? I think only 36 questions are right. Okay, fine. That's about what chemical kinetics, right?
Yes, sir.
Next chapter. ಕಳಿಸಿದಾರ already? WhatsApp ಅಲ್ಲಿ share ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
No, sir.
Share ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. Not shared. Okay, fine, no problem. I will do one thing. I will start haloalkanes and halogens because there is a problems, right? Alva. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರೀ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಟು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಹಾಲು ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಲೋರಿನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ರೈಟ್? ಹಾಲು ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಲೋರಿನ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಲು ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಲೋರಿನ್ಸ್. Yes, haloalkanes and haloarenes. What is the general formula of primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, and tertiary alkyl halides? Yes. What is the general formula of primary, secondary, tertiary alkyl halides?
Sir, CN, H2N,
R3X
minus 1 and halide.
What is the general
Primary.
formula of alkyl halides generally? RX.
CN, H2N minus 1.
Primary
halide.
primary ಆದ್ರೆ R CH2 X ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಆದ್ರೆ R2 CH X ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಟರ್ಷಿಯರಿ ಆದ್ರೆ R3 C
CX.
Excellent. This is the general formula of primary, secondary, and tertiary alkyls. You have to remember what is the primary. This carbon is called as a primary carbon. A primary carbon is one which is directly bonded to one carbon. It's having two hydrogen. So a secondary carbon is one. It contains two directly bonded to carbon. Sir, material share notes. No, material proceeding. Share notes. WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Here, a tertiary carbon is one which is directly bonded to tertiary carbon is one which is the carbon which is directly bonded to three carbons. That is called as a tertiary carbon. Secondary carbon is one which is directly bonded to two carbons and it containing one hydrogen. ಇದನ್ನ secondary carbon ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ secondary carbon ಗೆ halogen bond ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ secondary alkyl halides, tertiary alkyl halides. Then you should know that what is meant by vicinal dihalides and geminal dihalides. Vicinal dihalides. Vicinal and adjacent. Andre two halogen atoms present at adjacent carbon atom. That is called as a vicinal anta kariti. Okay. That the two halogen atoms present adjacent carbon atom or bonded to adjacent carbon atom is called as a vicinal dihalides. Di andre ಎಷ್ಟು two halogens ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ adjacent carbon ಗೆ bond ಆಗಿದೆ, then only we call as a vicinal dihalides. But I will give one example. Note, is it a vicinal dihalides or not? You can tell me. Is it a vicinal dihalide?
No, sir. Not a vicinal dihalide.
It is not a vicinal dihalide. Vicinal ante ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ adjacent ಇರಬೇಕು. Then only you call as a vicinal dihalide. It is not a vicinal dihalide. Then they can also ask this type. Then geminal dihalide. What is meant by geminal dihalides?
Bonded to same carbon atom.
Halogens are present on the same carbon. Nodi? Halogens are present on the same carbon. That is called as a geminal. If two halogens are present on the same carbon is called as a vicinal. This is very, very important. Example. Definitely they won't give the structure. They will give the IUPAC name. Which one is the geminal dihalides? Remember, geminal dihalide is very easy to find out. You will give 1, 1. 1, 1 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ definitely it is a what? Geminal. No need of read out to the next one. 1, 1 idre geminal. What about here? In this case, vicinal. These are the shortcut method. Here, ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು? 1, 2 ಅಂತ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2, 3 ಅಂತ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3, 4 ಅಂತ ಇರಬಹುದು. Then like this. Shortcut method. Examples ಬಂದಾಗ I will explain like in detail. This shortcut is enough to find out which one is a vicinal and which one is a geminal dihalide. I hope it's clear. This is a shortcut method to find out. They will give the IU if they give IUPAC. Yes. Yeah. Next one. Indian discuss model. What are the concepts we discussed in this here? Yeah. Here, you know that one more. Alkyl halides reacts with potassium cyanide. It gives RCN. That means alkyl cyanides plus KX. I am giving only the general reaction. Alcoholic. Other RX plus AgCN. It gives RNC. RNC. CN barrel. Here it is also alcoholic. Plus what you will get? AgX. Yes. It is very, very important. It was ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
So questions have been
shared. Yeah, fine. Really, we can discuss. What happened to him? Yeah, AgCN, illi KCN. That's all the difference. Here it gives alkyl cyanides, but here it gives alkyl isocyanides. Isocyanide. This is called as a corresponding cyanides or methyl cyanide, ethyl cyanide, like this. Here methyl isocyanide, ethyl isocyanide, like this. Are you following? I know it, all of you already forgot. Because what is the reason? Here KCN is an ionic compound. It ionizes to give K plus and Cn minus. But silver cyanide is not a ionic compound. It does not ionizes. Does not ionizes. Therefore, you get cyanides. Cyanides in the case of what? When you treat with potassium cyanide, here you get isocyanide. When you treat it with silver cyanide treatment. Just you remember this one. It is also very important. Yes, it is a one reaction. Next, ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು highlight again. As and when required, I will give more explanation while discussing the questions. These are the main things I am going to discuss. I will give more detail. Yes. Next, SN1 and SN2. No, you know that. It is important to just go through that. What are the difference between SN1 and SN2? What is the order of reaction of SN1? What is order? What is the order of SN1 reaction? What is the full form of SN1? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ? You studied well. You know that ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ definite question in the main exam. Theory.
Tertiary alkyl halides.
Yes, very good. I am asking what is the full form of SN1?
Nucleophilic substitution.
Yes, very good. SN1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction ಅಂತ. SN2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction ಅಂತ. What is the order of SN1? 1. SN2, what is the order? 2. It is a order is 2. What about this one? How many steps the reaction involving SN1?
One step.
SN1.
2 steps.
It takes place 2 steps. SN1, SN2.
1 step.
One step.
Right? Yes. You know that what is the order of reactivity of SN1? Tertiary, secondary, primary. What about here?
Primary, secondary, tertiary.
And tertiary. Right? Then SN1 reaction favors for polar solvent. Polar what? Solvent. It does not favor for non-polar solvents. Non-polar solvent. In which case you can see the racemic mixture? Racemic mixture. Here there is a in which case there is an inversion in configuration. You can see that. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
SN2 inversion takes place.
SN2 inversion in configuration. SN2, you can see the inversion in configuration. I hope it's clear. These are the difference between SN1 and SN2. Yes, any doubt? Just go through the haloalkanes and haloarenes, whether you are studied using a textbook or notebook. Yes, in the next class, I will start directly the question. As and when required more information, I will give you there itself. Yes, any doubt? I think sir is already shared,
No, sir.
sent you through WhatsApp, right? WhatsApp, Lydia.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hello, alkanes and Lydia. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shall I start? Still 5 minutes is there. Shall I start? Yes, start Madonna. Yes, fine. These are the main important concept. The first question, yeah. Which of the following represent geminal dihalides? Just now I told you, right? ಅದು ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? What is the answer?
Option
Option
ನಾನು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ.
B.
Yes, correct.
option
Option
B, sir. To commit.
haloalkanes and haloarenes. First question. Yeah. Option 2.
2.
Yeah, 2. Very good. It need not be 1, 1 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. It can also be 2, 2. 3, 3 ನು ಇರಬಹುದು. ಹೌದಾ? Yes or no? I hope it's useful to find out easily without going in detail about the IU pattern. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನೋ?
Sir.
Yes, fine. Next question ಹೋಗೋಣ. Yes. The best reagent for the preparation of dichloroalkane from alcohol is, sir, chloroalkane is.
Option 1.
Yes, very good. What is SO2? SO2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
Dionyl chloride.
Yes.
Dionyl chloride.
Sulfur.
Very good. Thionyl chloride. Can you name that reaction? There is one specific name for that reaction. That is called as a Dargins process of manufacture of alkyl halides. Dargins process of manufacture of alkyl halides by using thionyl chloride. Why this is the best method ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Or it is prepared from alcohols plus SO2Cl, thionyl chloride,
Two gases are formed.
or Cl plus sulfur dioxide plus it forms HCl. Here it is used in the presence of pyridine ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. pyridine ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. This pyridine, it is basic in nature, it helps to absorb HCl. So sulfur dioxide is a gas, it escapes and pyridine is absorbed by this HCl